Hello, everybody. Welcome to another video with me, Ivy Watts. And it is now November, and I am so honored to be here yet again with the Patients Like Me and the Women's Like Me community, and to be able to share with you this really incredible tool today. I am a somatic coach and a certified somatic face healing teacher. We hold so much stress and tension in our body. Think about your tight shoulders, your eyebrows that are really burrowed in, your jaw that's clenched, maybe even have some sadness or tightness behind your eyes. That stays with us, and our body needs to release it. Our body wants to let it go. And so, this is your invitation today to just allow yourself to relax, listen to the gentle music, listen to my voice and just allow yourself to learn a new skill to help you to release that tension in your shoulders, your neck, your jaw, your entire face and head. I'm going to take you through a little practice for you to learn some new tools today. Invitation to get into a cozy spot. I'll give you a moment to do that. Invitation to sit, if that feels good for you, maybe in a chair or cross-legged on the ground. And if your hands have been dirty from eating or something like that, I'll give you a moment just to go and wash your hands really quickly, or you can pause the video. You will be touching your face, so just being mindful of your hands before we begin. And once you find yourself in a comfortable seated position, closing down your eyes, and allowing yourself to take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Inhaling in through the nose. And on your exhale, just allow yourself to see how deeply you can sink into your chair or the floor. Beautiful. And so taking space here to notice your shoulders, notice if there's any tension in your shoulders today. Just taking space to move your right shoulder 1 inch forward and 1 inch back. And then matching the breath to your shoulders. So inhale, front, exhale, move it back. One more here before we switch sides. Beautiful. Left side, inhale, front, move your shoulder forward. Exhale, move it to the back. Just releasing that tension in your shoulders, giving your body permission to release and to let go. Beautiful. One more here. Just really allowing yourself to release and surrender into this moment. Beautiful. Now moving up into your neck, taking your head, moving it over to the side. Invitation to open your eyes if at any point you need to see me. Bring your head over to the right side, over your right shoulder. Tilt your neck and head back. It's called the swan neck. Just really feeling that elongation from your neck. And now taking your hand, your left hand, and moving it down from the base of your chin, your jaw, right underneath your ear, all the way down your neck. As if you're moving all of the tension out of your neck, out of your shoulder and into the air. And if you want, you can almost flick your hand out into the air as you move down your neck, your shoulder, and out. Making sure you're breathing here, really feeling the release in your neck, releasing anything that no longer serves you. Doing one more stroke of the neck. Releasing that stroke, but keep the head tilted back. And just long, deep breath here, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Beautiful. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Bring your head back to center. Shake out anything that needs to be shaken out. And then now move your head to the left, over your left shoulder, tilt it back. Bring your right hand up, down, out your shoulder. Flick it out, any energy that no longer serves you, all the way out of your body, making sure you're breathing, relaxing into this moment, feeling the movement of your hand on your skin. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, tells your body that you're safe. One more here. Beautiful. You might have noticed my chin tilted a little bit forward so you could hear me, but making sure your chin is up and over your shoulder. And a deep breath here, in through the nose, out through the mouth. One more time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Bringing your head back to center, shaking out anything that no longer serves you. Maybe bringing your head in some circles, allowing your wrists to become circles, your shoulders to become circles. Really releasing in your shoulders, your neck. Allowing your body to know that it's safe to move in flow and abundance with these circles. Really powerful for women too. Awakens that feminine energy that we often feel like we have to suppress, to work harder, to be perfect. It's just letting those circles come to awaken that feminine energy. Beautiful. Ooh. We're going to move into your jaw now. So you're going to take both of your hands. You're almost going to pinch like you're a crab, but gentle pinching. You're going to start with both hands right at the bottom of your chin, right underneath your mouth. And you're going to begin pinching out all along your jawline, all the way up to your ear. Once you get to your ear, you come back to center and begin little pinches again up your jawline. Continuing with that, making sure you're breathing in and out of the nose here. There's so much tension that lies in our jaw. Our jaw is actually one of the first parts of our body that come online when we're stressed. Our body is conditioned to keep us safe. That's how we stay alive. And so our jaw and our hips too come online first, ready for us to fight. So if you notice that you're grinding your teeth or clenching your teeth, it could be that you're in a constant state of fight or flight or anxiety and stress. One more round with that, and whenever that's complete, taking both of your index fingers, bringing them both one on top of each other, right underneath your mouth again. And now you're going to drag your fingers out and up your jawline and to the top of your ear. Really nice, slow, gentle movements. We don't want to be dragging our skin. Just nice and slow and gentle. Really activating that parasympathetic nervous system, giving your body calm and peace and presence. And releasing that tension in your jaw. Beautiful. Continuing to breathe here. Wonderful. Now taking your fingers to your temples, we're going to begin releasing some stress in our forehead. So taking your fingers to your temples and just providing some light to moderate pressure here. Beginning to do some circles in one way. This is one of your acupressure points on your face. It's a naturally calming space. And then begin to do circles in the other way. This is also really great for headaches or tension headaches if you struggle with that, or migraines. Great for helping you with insomnia. Beautiful. The next tool that we're going to use is helping to really reduce the stress in our foreheads. So taking both of your fingers to the bridge of your nose and bringing them up and out right above your eyebrow. And then coming back to center in between the bridge, on the bridge of your nose and in between your eyebrows, all the way up to the middle of your forehead and out to your temples. Back to center, up to the top of your head and down to your temple. Let's do that one more time. Middle of your eyebrows, right at the bridge of your nose, moving your fingers right above your eyebrows and out. Back to center, moving your fingers right above into the middle of your forehead. And then back to the center. Now we're going to the top of your forehead. Beautiful, beautiful. And the last piece that we're going to do is just some gentle taps on our face to awaken, to soften, to provide some aliveness in your body. So taking your fingers and just beginning to tap on your cheeks, on your chin, underneath your nose, on your nose, underneath your eyes. Awaken these spaces that have been silenced or quieted or feel unheard, feel stressed or tight, feel overwhelmed. Bring that tapping down to your neck, being gentle with your neck, opening up your voice, opening up your throat chakra, your energy center, allowing your voice to be heard on your chest and on each of your shoulders, down both of your arms, into your fingers. Taking your hands, giving them a nice rub, feeling them together. Then create some heat, rubbing them together. Bringing your hands to your face. Feel the warmth of your hands on your face as a protection. You are stronger than you think. You can get through any obstacle that comes your way. And it starts with releasing the tension to give the body the attention it needs, to give the body the response, to give the body the ability to know that there are other options than just staying stuck in stress and pain. Whenever you're done giving yourself a big hug, releasing that cortisol from this hug, your body doesn't know the difference between a hug from someone else and from yourself. So you still provide this oxytocin, and the serotonin and dopamine to make you feel good like a hug would from a partner. And what a blessing. You don't have to wait for someone else to give you love. You can give it to yourself. Final deep breath here in through the nose, out through the mouth. And whenever you're ready, you can gently blink your eyes open, looking around your room, looking around your space, finding something that feels comforting in your space. Like for me, it's always my little baby girl. Knowing that this is such a wonderful tool you can take with you at any time to help to center you, relax you, activate your parasympathetic nervous system, and give your body the chance to know that it is safe to feel at ease. It is safe to feel peaceful. You are worthy of that. You always have been. Now it's just time to reclaim it. Sending you so much love, and I cannot wait to see you soon. Bye.